Welcome to Car Traction. In today's video, we're back at the Midway Truck Stop for their monthly meet. And also, this is the first video of 2022, so Happy New Year to anybody watching this video. Now, with the roads being a bit salty because, of course, it's winter, there won't be a show of astronomical proportions, I can't guarantee that, but hopefully we'll get a few classic British lorries and a few foreign lorries as well. There's also a Volvo that's already turned up. So I'll stay here for now because we can get them arriving through there and entering the show there. Then, when we think they're all here, we'll go and have a look around when they're parked up there. And then, when they go for their lorry run, or if they're just going home, we go over there to our classic viewing spot that's featured many times on the channel to watch them driving away. We have a Scania entering the show. And a noisy ERF. As usual, we have the sprinkling of old bikes. See a Volvo in the distance. I think I've stood here for long enough. Let's go and get a closer look at some of the classic lorries parked up over there. First up is a Mercedes flatbed. I'm not sure I've seen this one before. Complete with spanners on the front. Also with a little tractor on the back. Definitely haven't seen this one. It's very nice. It'd be good to see it leaving. And next to it, these two were the first lorries to come to the classic lorry meet. They were here even before us. Here's the Volvo. This is a regular, unlike the Mercedes. With the traditional sign writing. We have a lovely sounding ERF dating from the early 1970s, the oldest lorry as of yet here. Lovely shape, I think. Nice sign writing as well. It'd be good to see this one leaving. Judging by the way it sounded on the way in, it would be really cool to hear it accelerating. on site at the Midway Truck Stop Classic Lorry Meet is this lovely ERF. Next to it we have something that I haven't seen before at this meet, a very large Scania. Lots of chrome there. Then we have the ERF that I've already had a look at. Very handsome truck. Slightly later Volvo. It's always something new whenever you come here. And a very shiny green ERF. Something else has just arrived, but you probably can't see it because the sun is very low. It's still quite early in the morning. It's a Ford. Yeah, I'll have a closer look at that later. You can't see it now because of the annoyingly low sun. Volvo seem to be a bit of a growing theme at the Midway Truck Stop meet. There are a couple of them here, and I remember at the last time I went to this, there are about 4 or 5 of them. Here we have the slightly early example, W Reg, a very handsome flatbed truck, next to a slightly later example. Very handsome blue Scania. Arrived a few minutes ago, next to an even more new arrival, an ERF. Lovely truck. Now most of the trucks that go to this sort of meets are just cabs like this one, but what separates this ERF is that it actually has something on the back. It's a very handsome classic British truck there. Close look at the classic bikes that we saw coming in earlier. So this is a BSA Thunderbolt. Very nice bike. I really love the bare metal. I think that works really well. Then next to it we have the Norton 750 Commando. Same can be said, a very lovely concept British bike. I've just seen an MGB, I'm running towards it. There we go, there it is. Just noticed this Triumph rolling in. Is it a TR5? Oh, it was a TR250. Here we have the Triumph TR250. Now this looks like a TR5, and you could argue that it is. However, the 250, referring to its 2.5 litre straight-six engine, is actually the American market model of the English Triumph TR5 now. But it is right-hand drive, obviously, for Britain driving on the left side of the road. So it must mean that at some point this has been converted from left-hand drive to right-hand drive to be more compatible with Britain. It's a lovely classic car. Got that really lovely sounding straight-six burble as well. I think it's just such a timeless design. These TRs, TR4As and TR5s have to be my favourite. Got some Harley Davidsons leaving. We've got the classic motorbikes whizzing past now. Just seen an Austin 7 in the distance. Volvo leaving. Volvo leaving. Now we have the Mercedes leaving. The very shiny blue ERF is going to whiz past us. Pretty much it for this video, the first video of the car traction channel in 2022. Being, of course, if you've been paying attention for this whole video, you just haven't been sleeping through it, at the Midway Truck Stop, featuring classic lorries such as this ERF, another ERF, and another ERF over there. Lots of British lorries. If you like this sort of thing, check out my classic lorry playlist, recently added, on motorbike, doing motorbike things. But yeah, check out that playlist and the channel homepage for more videos. Thanks for watching.